for. So we have different collections available. What Sonoma Forge is a manufacturer of specialty type products, more toward the industrial side, as you can see. And the cool thing about Sonoma Forge is most everything that you see on the website, probably 95 to 98% of it, is always going to be in stock unless we just are in a back order situation. So lead times are very short. We usually ship orders within 48 hours of the time we receive them. It comes from California, so we're looking at about a week transit to get it to you. So 7 to 10 working days is going to be well within our reach. The different collections, the two most popular collections that we sell in our market are going to be the Waterbridge collection and the Brute collection. So we'll look at the Waterbridge real quick. And then when you click on Waterbridge, what you'll have is the different styles that are available and the different products that are available. We'll drill down a little bit further. You'll come here, you'll see the vanity shots, and then when you scroll down, you'll start to see all the different products that are available inside that program or that series. So in here we have cabinet hardware, mirror mounts, toilet paper holders, 2 different styles. You have this style, and then you also have this style available. Shower baskets, towel rods, grab bars, shower drains, sink drains, and even soap dispensers. And the reason that we offer all these different things is really due to the finishes that we offer. It's not like you can go to a different manufacturer and be able to find a comparable finish to these. So the finishes we offer are just as unique, really, as the products that we offer. So we'll look at, under finishes, we'll look at Waterbridge. And what it will show you is the 4 different finishes that are available. So you have the rustic nickel, the rustic copper, then you'll have the oil rub bronze, and then you'll have a satin nickel. Our 2 most popular finishes, and what I sell most of, are going to be rustic nickel #1 and rustic copper #2. Those are the 2 that we sell the most of. Occasionally we'll sell a satin nickel, but people really gravitate toward us for the style, also for the finishes. The other thing that you'll notice if we go back to this, you'll see different handles available. The one that we don't show here, we actually have 3 options for handles. If we look in the price book real quick, just so you can see. We have these 3 handles. So we have a T handle, which is standard for most all products. Then we have what we call a lever handle, which is offset, so it would be offset to the right and to the left for hot and cold. And then we have a cross handle. The pricing that you see here is only for replacement handles. So when we go back here, whenever you place an order for any of these products, you just tell us which handle you want and it's included in the price. All of our finishes are priced exactly the same. Except for custom finishes. What you won't see anywhere on our website is, for example, polished chrome, which is, the least expensive finish for most faucet manufacturers, price-wise, and then also, one of the most common for especially secondary bathrooms. We will do polished chrome, and we do it often, but for us it's an upcharge and it's a lead time because it doesn't fall into who we are and what we're trying to accomplish. But again, you can order the handles, any one of them, any one of those 3. You just change the part number at the end, and we'll look at that in a second, to reflect that handle, and there's no upcharge for it. Okay, so we in the Waterbridge, you have 2 different spouts that are available. Well, actually 3 if you look at the bar faucets. You'll have what we call the waterfall spout, the elbow spout, and then I don't know that we have a name for this, but you'll see the difference there. So you have deck mount products, you have wall mount products, so you can accomplish all the different styles and achieve the different functions that your customer's looking for. So again, you'll see all the different products that are available here. The other thing that we do a ton of are tub fillers. So we do freestanding tub fillers, deck mount tub fillers. Nothing other than the finishes and style that's different from other manufacturers except for this little jewel right here. What this is a waste and overflow primarily for stone tubs that don't have waste and overflows. Most codes require a waste and overflow for a bathtub. So what this is it's a remote waste and overflow. So it mounts somewhere near, doesn't have to be exactly near the tub. It literally could be mounted on the other side of the room. Wouldn't make sense, but it could be. And you'll see here how it is positioned in different places. But what it accomplishes is when the handle is pulled up, it allows the water to drain. When it's pushed down, it stops. And there's a baffling system inside of it that is adjustable for the height of the water that you want in the tub. So the knob on the top, you would turn it either right or left to increase or decrease the water. And once it gets to that point of where you set it, then internally it has the overflow, so it won't ever go above that point and overflow onto the floor. As you can see here, that's a polished chrome, so this is a custom piece. And where we sell a lot of these is when somebody, for example, is using a Stone Forest tub, but they're using a tub filler from a different manufacturer, and that manufacturer doesn't offer. There's only a few manufacturers in the United States or sell in the United States that offer these remote waste and overflows. So we will sell these a lot of times whenever we didn't sell the faucet. And so then is when we'll get into, matching finishes, polished nickel, polished chrome, those kind of things. Shower systems is a huge part of our business. You see we have lots of cool looking photos here for you to use. This is the one that's on the current catalog. We're coming out with a new catalog this year. Hopefully by the end of December it'll start shipping. And this is an actual install in Hawaii, so everybody wants to go and visually see that one, or sight see that one. With our shower systems, we have the ability to do tub fill as well, which is what this one would be. And then we also, for those outdoor applications, we offer a foot wash. So if you're coming in from the pool, want to wash your feet off, or coming in from the beach, want to get the sand off, we offer this. So this would be tub fill, and this would be foot wash. Don't want to use this on a foot wash. We used to. We've never had any problems, but what we realized is this is kind of a hazard, especially for small kids, because it's mounted outside. So we changed to this several years ago just to be a little more safe. This is our standard hand shower. In the price book, you'll see that we offer 2 other hand showers that are a little bit different in design, but this, in keeping with the industrial look, is our standard hand shower now. And that changed in late 2016 to being the standard. And then for most all the shower systems, an 8-inch rain head is standard, but we also offer a 12-inch. And we can also do extensions and supports for these as well that are in the price book. So lots of different variations, lots of different photos there for you and your client to look at. So the question a lot of times we have, and you can see the answer to, is can these be mounted outdoors? Yes, they can. The only thing you need to be able to do is depending on the environment that you live in, you need to have a shut off somewhere that you can shut the water off to it in freezing conditions. I'm actually doing this training from Asheville, North Carolina today, and it's snowing here, so it wouldn't be good to have an outdoor system today that didn't have the possibility of shutting off the water and draining the system so that it doesn't freeze. So that's That's the only caveat that you want to make sure that the customer does have a way to do that. Cut it off, water shut off, and drain the system for those cold weather environments.